So I will select only the PC foundations or the PC footings. If you have selected anything else than the structural foundation, as I can see here, it's multiple types. Okay, you can select using filter. It's only structural foundations and it's a PC foundation, so I know what I'm doing. And give it the task ID of ST-1001 and click enter. The next thing, I will select the RC foundations. Let's see, I have selected this. If you have selected it by mistake, you can, it's visible in the view, you can click on shift and click on it again to unselect it. I can click shift while dragging on the scroll wheel of my mouse to see that I have selected all the RC foundations. I can give it a task ID of ST-103. It gives me a history of what data I entered before, so I know that I'm going correctly, and click enter. After that, the coming task is the ground floor columns and walls. What I can do is I can select one column or one wall, whatever you have, a column and wall. While holding on control, you can select a level. So we need the element and a level. You can click on your keyboard IC for isolate category, or you can click from this glass isolate category here. We selected the levels and the columns, so we have all the columns in the project. It's the same category, and all the levels. We can click on any elevation in the view cube like this, and we can select by dragging the mouse using a window to select this. These are the ground floor columns, which have the task ID of ST-1003. Enter. I can take this copy, Control C, so I don't have to write all the task ID. And then I can select the first floor columns on the task ID. I hit Control V or paste and change this to 1, because I know that's what I've told you before. The columns take the sequence of 0, 3, all the columns in the building, and you will change only the floor digit number, which is the third digit here, and click enter. The second floor columns, again Control V, and this would be 2, and click enter. For the third floor columns, this would be 3, and enter. And for the roof, that would be 4. And the last columns are the upper roof, that's 5. And that's the easier way to enter the task ID to elements. If I want to show all the project again, I can click on this glass here and click on reset temporary hide isolate, or I can click HR on the keyboard